So we're going to show you how easy it is to swap out the entire gun arm plate assembly on the Mini Plus spray machine. There may be times where you want to put on different guns, different gun technologies, different angles, different orientations, things like that. So we're able to swap everything out easily without having to remove any of the air lines. All we got to do is take one fluid line loose here up top, and you take it out. So that's loose. Pop these clips here, and the whole gun arm assembly comes off. I'll take my next arm here, the new gun arm on. Just like so. Straight. Put that on. New fluid hose connected, and our new guns are installed. Alright guys, that was a quick tutorial on how to change the gun arms on Mini Plus spray machine.